tomorrow.
By the way, I've turned the GoPro on at this point. Do you wanna do my YouTube intro?
What's up,
Okay. Here, let me give it a shot. What's up, Crank PX Nation? It's me, Crank, cranking it. Was that good?
That was awesome.
Amazing. There's a chance we might run into a friend of mine, Curtis, while we're here. He's on a ZX6 and he's a super cool guy. I love him.
Oh, is it Corlo?
It is. Adventure bike, cruiser bike.
Oh my god, dude, they think I'm one of them now.
You are. Holy car, that car was flying. So honestly, in my opinion, one of the scariest parts about this road is the other cars that will just fly by. I feel like in general, I have a very obvious fear of other cars on this road. But it's always the fucking, it's mainly just specifically the guys who are really running in their cars, because their cars are fucking big, especially compared to a Grom. Cars are huge and they're moving fast as fuck. I know. It's not really a wide road at all. It is very narrow. Is this a cyclist?
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, you killed that. You killed that. That was great. You killed that. Hey, guys.
Thomas, you think if we just go right now, there's any corners on the outside?
Yes.
Holy shit. For cars? Do you do this for cars? You said you wanted to go?
No. No, you stay in front. You stay in front.
I'm fucking around because there were cars that came.
Yeah.
Was that Carson?
Huh?
Was that Carson on Valente?
No.
This is the one where I crashed on.
Holy shit, man.
Great job, dude. You're doing good.
Hey, man.
Hey! Is that a wheelie? It's really fun being like this close to you when riding, because I feel like at any given point I can just speed up a little bit and I can like just tickle you and you just wouldn't see it coming. Oh, this is a great straight. Full throttle, Liz. Full speed. Position's been assumed. Oh, that's Carson. Oh, and that was my friend Curtis. See ya. Oh, now I can't pass on the other side. Holy bike.
Where TF is T-Bone going?
I don't know.
Hi, guys.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, man? Do you want to stop and get like...
Carson?
Huh? That was Carson. You want a bev? You can get like some water.
I'm good.
It's kind of hot.
I'm good, man. Actually, I'll do some water. You're right, man.
Let's do it. Let's do it. We're going to stop and get some water.
Okay.
We're heading out, bro.
Yes, sir. Be safe.
You too.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the same order of you in the middle, Thomas in front. Where the bike's at?
I know, man. Is this planned or?
This is just how it is here on the weekends.
I love this place. Alex, if there is literally any reason in the future I move to Texas, I'm frame one getting a bike. That's not a joke.
Do it. No, you go. Here we go, Honda Grom time. Holy flip. On the road time. Dude, what's so awesome about just gromming around is like watching out for cops doesn't matter. We just physically can't really go fast enough to get in trouble. I can, I'm right behind you. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit, he's a biker. He's a biker, guys. Oh yeah, that was the corner I crashed at. I'm gonna say that fucking every time. There's the photographer guy. He flicked you up, bro. Yours.
Oh.
Audi R8.
Where's that? Is that 6 out?
Oh, it's green.
Shout out.
This is an interesting position I put myself in. Hello.
That's mad.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do a wheelie. Is that good?
We're gonna do this in a 3, 2, 1.
Did you also do one?
Yeah.
Wait, do it again. Holy crap, you're wheeling. You're holding that.
I'm holding a wheelie.
You're holding a wheelie. Alright, I'm gonna get some crazy speed on this downhill. I'm about to take this Grom faster than it's ever been. Here we go. Here we go. On the Grom speed test. On the Grom. We're going for maximum aero right here. Holy shit, 65. Can I hit 70? Ah, dude, I hit 70, 71, 72, 73. That's kind of awesome. The Grom, anytime I hang off the bike and I stick my knee out on the Grom, it is always beyond unnecessary, but it is so much fun. It makes it fun. It makes it a little fun. I can't lie, there's a little bit of fun involved. Gotta pass you? Man, you think I can't pass you? I don't think I've ever been this fast in my entire life. It's possible. Oh, oh, oh. Wagwan! Excuse me, every other car coming through. Look at all the plants. You ever seen so many plants in your life?
Yeah, man. I eat plants for breakfast.
You eat plants for breakfast? That's kind of awesome. Crazy view of the lake though. I love this spot. So pretty.
Oh, is this where we walk down to like this?
Yep. Watch out for
It's
gravel.
just a bunch of gravel now, man.
At least it's not the mud. Oop. Thomas did a slight fishtail. I saw it. I'm like a bird courting another bird as I circle Thomas.
What do you think is circling you guys?
Oh.
I saw you slipped a little bit on the gravel.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where Mez took his spill.
I was expecting it.
Yeah, it's a lot better now. When Mez and I went, it was not just the gravel, but it was also a shit ton of mud.
Yeah, I bet.
Alright, do you guys want me to be in front again for this road or behind? What?
I love watching you, Alex.
Hold on, Mez. What?
Up to Mez.
Up to Mez? Okay. Mez loves watching me. Alright, I'll be in the front.
But Thomas, let's be clear, I also love watching you, man.
If you're doing something good for your back, you're low-key being gay. You know what I mean?
Wait, this one out, this one out.
Did you do the